This gentle flow is going to bring energy to the body, relax the mind, and connect to the spirit. Coming to the top of your mat in mountain pose, take a deep inhale. Exhale out of the mouth. Inhale, bring the hands together at heart center. Exhale. Inhale, lift the hands high up to the heavens. Bow forward. Coming to a flat back. Exhale down. Step the right foot back. Coming into a high lunge. Exhale into warrior two. Inhale to reverse warrior. Exhale into triangle pose. Inhale to side angle. Exhale, both hands on either side of the left foot. Stepping the right foot in, pyramid. Exhale down. Inhale the right foot to meet the left. Bow forward. Flat back. Inhale the arms down, around, and up. And exhale the hands into heart center. Pause there a moment. Inhale the hands down, around, and up. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. Step the left foot back, coming into your high lunge. Exhale into warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale into triangle pose. Inhale, side angle. Exhale, both hands on either side of the right foot. Step the left foot in and bow forward into pyramid. Inhale the left foot to meet the right. Take the hands behind you, interlace the fingers, stretch the hands high up to the heavens. Exhale, release. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. And come back up, reverse. And bringing the hands in prayer pose in front of the heart. Pausing there for a moment. And picking what resonates with you. Continuing with my suggested flow or listening to your body, mind, spirit, intuition. Inhale the hands down, around, and up. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, step the right foot back. Bring the knee down to the ground. Inhale the arms high up to the heavens. Exhale, both hands down on either side of the left foot. And extend the toes of the left foot high up to the ceiling, the heavens. Exhale, come through that lunge. Bring the left knee to the ground through tabletop. Take a few cat-cows. Come to a neutral spine. Step the right foot in between both hands. Inhale the arms high up to the heavens. Crescent lunge. Exhale, both hands down on either side of the right foot. Bring the toes of the right foot high up to the heavens, stretching that hamstring. Inhale, back. Bring the foot flat on the ground. Come through tabletop and then press up into downward dog. Stretching here, take a deep inhale. Exhale out of the mouth. Deep inhale again. Exhale out of the mouth. This inhale and exhale, make it fit your needs. Walk your feet to meet your hands. Bow forward. Inhale to a flat back. And then bring the hands down, around, and up. Prayer pose in front of the heart and bring the hands to heart center, pausing there a moment. Connecting to your body, mind, and spirit. Following my words, but listening to what your body, mind, and spirit needs. On the next inhale, inhale the hands down, around, and up. Exhale, bow forward, flat back. Bow forward. Bring both legs back through downward dog. Pausing here a moment. Lifting the right leg high up to the heavens. And then coming forward, stepping the right foot in between the hands. Yogi's choice to stay here and twist over towards the right, or bring the left knee down and twist over towards the right. Long, deep breathing. And then exhale, both hands down on either side of the right foot. Step the right foot back through downward dog. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale the left leg up, high to the heavens. And then step the left foot through between the hands. Yogi's choice, knee down on the ground or up, and twisting over towards the left. Exhale, both hands down. Step the right foot to meet the left. Bring the hands behind you, interlace the fingers again, opposite way, and stretch the hands high up to the heavens. Exhale, release. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, bow forward. And then bring the hands down, around, and up. Coming to meet above the head and down into prayer pose in front of the heart. Pausing there for a moment. Checking in with your body, your mind, and your spirit. And if you wish to repeat the practice, taking time to repeat the practice. And if this is where your time ends, bowing to your heart center for taking the time to practice today, honoring yourself as I honor you. Namaste.